Match Fish Tank, Lesson 3 of Unit 6, Anchor Problem 1. So we're going to decide which of these equations fits two different situations. Situation A is after Lou poured 2 liters of water into a large bucket. The bucket contained 10 liters of water. How many liters were in the bucket to start? And situation B says that if Clara ran 10 miles, which was twice as far as Nina ran, how far did Nina run? There are a lot of different strategies for figuring out equations. One that connects to a strategy we've used before is to draw the situation. You know I love tape diagrams, so I'm going to use a tape diagram here. So for Lou, who's pouring 2 liters of water, I know, I'm going to draw my bucket kind of as my tape, that after Lou poured 2 liters, so he poured in 2 liters, the bucket contained 10 liters, so that means this whole thing here is 10. So how many liters were in the bucket to start? That would be my x. So it looks like, based on that situation, I have an x plus 2 equals 10. All right, so now having drawn that up for myself, I'm going to take a look here and see which ones work for it. Yes, that first one does. This one definitely doesn't. X plus 10 equals 2 is not the same thing. X equals 10 plus 2. No, x is clearly less than 10. 10x equals 2. No, that's not giving me the same thing. 2 times 10 equals x. No, again, we'd have x being more than 10. 2x equals 10. No. So drawing this tape diagram helps me to see what type of an equation I'm looking for. For my next one, I'm going to change colors so it's a little clearer. Clara ran 10 miles, which is twice as far as Nina ran. How far did Nina run? All right, so Clara's, using a standard tape diagram with a bump in there, ran 10. That's twice as far as Nina, so Nina ran this part here. So let's see. 2 times Nina equals 10. Yeah, that makes sense. Nina ran half of 10, so I could also write it in a different way. But this will work for figuring out these ones. Okay, so that's not going to be an x plus 2 equals 10 one. It's not going to be that either. No, I'm not adding. 10 times x equals 2. No, because I can see here that I'm comparing it to 10. That one doesn't work for either of those. 2 times 10 equals x. Well, no, Nina ran less than 10, not more than 10. 2x equals 10. That's exactly what I did here. So one way to figure out an equation or to choose from equations that represent a situation is to draw a diagram for that situation.